What's up, y'all?
This here, y'all, is a real Eastern North Carolina box turtle. Do your thing, turtle gang. Okay, so I finally made it back out here to the landing. I was taking some time to get my ropes and everything set up this time so I'm not all tangled up and looking like an asshole with a big mess all around me.
This ain't shit. I got this. Ooh, I'm not touching shit. Not touching the bottom. Deeper than I thought.
Okay, it's got barnacles on it, so it's been there a long time.
It's an old grill, man. It's gotta be.